Hi, and welcome to the Senior Network. I'm your host, Gregg Fulton. Today we are joined by Becky Davis, the Cypress of Hilton head.
Hi, Gregg.
Great to see you.
You too. Happy fall.
Oh, yeah.
Happy fall,
Halloween's
y'all.
about here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the cooler weather. Is it great? Zero humidity.
Yeah.
Oh, it's lovely.
The beach, lovely. Well, that makes me think, okay, what's going on for the fall at Cypress?
Well, and you know, we're always prepared for every season. And this season, I know, the season's no different. We are getting ready for our fall open house.
Great.
We were hoping to have it open to the public. That was our goal. But because of the current situation and the
Round two.
Thank you. I don't know what to even call it now. But anyway, round two, we decided again it would be prudent for our staff and our members to have it virtual again.
Okay.
So this is our third virtual tour. So your listeners know, what we do is if you're on our mailing list or just provide us your email address, we will send you the tour. It will be an email blast on the morning of the 29th. It's up there forever. You can go back. You can even go back to the spring tour, so it's up there forever. So they can watch it at their leisure. They can forward the virtual tour to their family and friends.
So this is a link.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, the link. I
Okay.
guess there's some kind of
I got
computer
you.
language.
Just want to make
So
sure I
it's-
understand too.
Yeah, it's a link to the tour that kind of goes through our website. So that being said, if folks contact the Cypress or email me, and I'll put in a plug for BDavis at thecypress.com. If you email me your email address, I will send you that link.
Okay.
And they will get it on October 29th, like I said, and they can look at it, forever. And the reason why we do this is because we have 19 varied floor plans at the Cypress. Everything from a one-bedroom apartment to 3 bedrooms, 3 baths on the water.
Yeah.
Right. So things sell from $165 to over $2 million. So this is an opportunity. I'm going to have, I think I counted 16 different models on tour.
Okay.
And they can go, and I literally walk through the home and point out all the wonderful benefits and features of that home or that apartment or that villa, but also the benefits of living at the Cypress. And the neat thing is that my members go in with enthusiasm. They lend me their homes. So I'm really lucky that way because we really don't have anything currently available.
That was going to be my question.
Yeah.
But you do have a waiting list.
We do have the wait list. Yes, we have a 200 person wait list. And that's another opportunity when we do these tours. So people can think about, okay, I've been wanting to get on the Cypress wait list. I haven't been able to tour anything because it hasn't really been open for tours of property. So this is a great opportunity to get to see all the different model types. And also I have a tour of the clubhouse so they really can see all the different aspects of the community. Now we are giving tours of homes that are available for sale. We are just not going into homes where people are living in.
Where they're, right.
Yeah,
right.
Can't do that right now.
Well, as far as like the social setting and most of it's still open, correct? I mean, y'all haven't shut down everything, have you?
No, not at all. As a matter of fact, we're going to have our fall fling coming up in October. It's for members and their guests. And yeah, we're having the Target and the headliner horns.
That's going to be
Yeah,
awesome.
it'll be a great time. Yeah.
And I know you're already planning for the holiday season, probably, aren't you?
Yeah, they're already starting to sing carols, and the Cypress Choral Society there is already practicing on their hymns and the Christmas season. Yep.
Well, we've talked about it, but for the viewers that don't know, kind of give us a little quick summary. If they have an interest level, what stages are there to go through?
Well, we start off with independent living, and then this is a great question because I just had somebody on the phone today asking me about this different levels. Yeah, start off with independent living. As we age in place, what does that look like?
Right.
That might mean that we need to have home health care come in and provide assistance in living.
And you have your own.
And we have our own Cypress Home Health Care Agency right on campus. And then as you need a higher level of care, we have the Preston Health Center, which is 62 skilled beds. That provides skilled care, subacute care, and Alzheimer's, dementia, cognitive impairment care.
Gotcha.
Right there on campus.
Becky, we're out of time again.
Well,
Great information. You got a lot of
yeah,
information
and
out
I'm
there for the
excited
viewers.
about our open house too. So send me
Okay.
those email links.
Thank you.
So I'll
Awesome.
send you
Thank
a
you,
link.
Becky. Thank
All
you.
right.
Stay with us. More to come here on the Senior Network.